Hi, it's great to see you. Thanks for joining me. Today's workout is focused on our side body, and that's not just the obliques, but everything from our side down. We're going to be doing some single arm work, some single leg work, everything for kind of that side body. So we are going to start actually on our knees, up nice and tall. So your knees are about hip distance apart, arms down at your sides, and I want you to just slide your right hand down your thigh and then lift yourself back up. And then left hand down your thigh and back up. So just focusing a little bit on how it might feel different from side to side. Making sure that you're not leaning back or leaning forward when you do it. If you want, you can add the arm up. So when you go over to the right, the left arm comes up. Restack, and let's just take it over to the other side. And restack, one more each side. And up, good, last one. Back up, and we're going to sit down in straight into our mermaid position. I want the left foot back and the right foot in. If this is hard for you, you can go cross-legged or sit up on some blocks. So we're going to have arms out to the side, and we're going to take it over to the right first. So your right hand comes down, your left hand comes over. So this is a position that we've done quite a bit together in Pilates. Restack, take it to the other side, but we're going to play with it and add some pieces today. So right hand comes down, your ribs are lifting. That's what I want you to feel, even as the shoulders just soften down. Just let yourself move here. Up, good. And we're going to come over to the right and stay there. So you're going to find a spot on your right elbow, and your left hand can come down. So the right knee is going to come in front of you, and we're just going to lift the left leg. So we're taking this into a little side lift. The beauty of this position is you're going to be getting obliques as well as some leg work here. But you do want to bring that right leg kind of out in front of you a little bit from our mermaid position. It will be slightly different. Good, last two. One. Now I want you to do little kicks back. This isn't going to be a huge movement. Just enough feel like you could touch the wall behind you. Nice job. Make sure that knee stays in line with the hip so it's not dropping down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straighten the leg out and lower and lift. So again, not a very big movement, but definitely effective. You should be feeling your gluteus medius right about now working. That's that outer glute area. So I promised you outer body, right side body. Here it is. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Keep it lifted. Pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the leg down. Reach the arm. And then come back. All right, so we're going to go into some side planks. You can modify this by staying on your elbow if you'd like to. I'm going to come up into a tall arm here. And then your other modification would be to keep the knee bent, and I'll show you that once we get up there. Otherwise, we're going to come up into a full side plank. So you're going to have the legs bent like so. And then what you're going to do is come up, squeeze the legs together, reach. We're going to go into our side bend, and then come back down, and the knees bend again. All right, so that's where we're going. You really have to press into the bottom hand to reach over and come back. And if that's not a very happy place for you, then what you're going to do is when you come up, kind of keep that bottom knee bent like so, or just keep the bottom knee down like that, right? And that can be your position, okay? We'll just do a couple more because we have a lot coming. I don't want you to get tired yet. Good, come up. Stay there. Nice job. Take that top arm up towards the ceiling, and I want you to dive it underneath. Thread the needle, and then open back up. Open, open. See how much you can open your chest. Good. Under dive. Open. Last two. And last one. Nice. Open up. Bend your knees, come back down. Very good. We're all going to come back down onto our elbow here. We're coming back up to side plank though. Okay, so on your elbow, Legs can be stacked. If you want them stacked, that's fine, or if you want them staggered, the top leg is in front of the bottom leg. We're gonna lift up to a side plank here. Now you either hold it, or what I want you to do is take the top knee to your top elbow, and then reach. Nice job. So now we've got both side bodies working. 4, and 3, 2, 1, and come back down. We're gonna come right back up to our mermaid where we started that. Arms out to the side, right hand down, stretch it out. Come back up, left hand down, reach. And now we have another side to do. Nice job. Switch the feet. So now we've got right foot back, left foot in. Again, if you go cross-legged, just cross the other foot on top. All right, shake it out. Let's get ready here. Good. Take the left hand down, right hand over, and lift, really trying to use your center. Move from your center. And back up. So don't feel like it's that arm reaching that's guiding you. It's your ribs. It's that center side body, right? Good. Over. So we're going to stay here. Come down to your elbow. The bottom leg comes in front. The top leg lifts. So lower and lift. Good. So we have both knees bent here. We want to focus on trying to keep the bottom ribs lifted so you're not sinking, right? You can just feel that difference versus here versus here, trying to lift up. All right, let's do 3, 2, 1. Little kicks back, back. Press that back wall away from you. Think about still keeping your hips stacked. I know it's easy to lose that feeling a little bit. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Straighten the leg out and reach it, reach it, reach it out, and then lower and lift. So we're still reaching long the whole time. It actually feels nice to work the leg after all that oblique and arm work from the side planks. We know it's coming, but I'm going to focus on my leg right now because it feels a little better. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it lifted. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, hand comes down. Remember, you can do this on the elbow if you'd rather be there. So we're all going to bend our knees. This is our starting position right here, okay? When you're ready, exhale, you lift up. If you're going for both legs straight, squeeze them together and side bend over and come back down. And then as a reminder, the best modification here would be just to keep kind of that bottom knee down when you lift up, right? Listen to your body. If you can, you want to try to do the same. So if you had to modify the other side, go ahead and modify this side. All right, one more. Exhale. Up. Now, the top arm reaches up. We're going to thread the needle. So you spiral underneath and lift. Good. Spiral, 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 and reach. And then open, 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 open. Last 2. And last one. Open. Good. Come back down. We're going to go elbow if you're not already there. Legs again either stacked or the top one comes in front. When you're ready, lift up. Arm reaches. Here we go. We have 8. Good job. Now here your modification, just do it right here. You don't have to be lifted into the plank. I lost count. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Lower down. All the way back to mermaid. Let's stretch it out. Over to the left. All the way up. Over to the right. Over one more time. Restack, hands come down. Great job.